As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at portable grills. What do you think of the Charbroil Grill2Go X200 versus the Cuisinart Petit Gourmet?
Oh, good choices. Both are popular. The Charbroil Grill2Go X200, ASINB 00BFPM Li8, has a larger cooking area, 200 square inches, versus the Cuisinart, ASINB 004H4WWA6, at 150 square inches. So you can cook more at once on the Charbroil.
Yeah, that's a good point. But what about heat? I want something that gets hot enough.
The Charbroil boasts a 9,500 BTU burner, whereas the Cuisinart has a 5,500 BTU burner. So on paper, the Charbroil should get hotter. However, some users say the Charbroil gets too hot and needs a regulator.
Interesting. And is one easier to carry around than the other? That's pretty important to me.
The Cuisinart is definitely lighter, at around 2.2 pounds, versus the Charbroil's 20 pounds. The Cuisinart also has folding legs and a briefcase-style handle, which makes it easier to carry. The Charbroil has handles and latches, but it's bulkier.
Okay, weight and portability are a win for Cuisinart then. What about cleaning? I hate cleaning grills.
The Cuisinart has a spill-resistant drip tray, which is a nice feature for easy cleanup. The Charbroil has a removable grease tray. Both have porcelain-coated steel grates, which are supposed to be rust-resistant and easier to clean, but some reviewers have complained about the Charbroil being difficult to clean.
Got it. And what about starting them up?
The Charbroil uses a push-button ignition. The Cuisinart uses a twist-to-start piezo ignition. Both are pretty simple.
Okay, last question. Price.
Right now, the Cuisinart is around $130, and the Charbroil is about $148, which is more expensive.
So, to sum it up, the Charbroil has more cooking space and higher BTU, but the Cuisinart is lighter, more portable, and maybe a bit easier to clean.
Exactly, and it's Amazon's choice if that sways you any. Ultimately, it depends on your priorities and how much grilling you plan to do on the go.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.